Okay, so on this first video, I just want to take a minute and just kind of refresh you on what the writing STAAR test was, because you've done reading, writing, and math now, and I don't want you confused on what is what. So remember, with the writing one, you will get a prompt and you're going to have to write an essay, and we'll go over that in the next video. And then you will have 24 questions, 8 of them which will be revised, like insert a topic sentence, what sentence does not belong, add a transition word, combine the sentences, those kinds of questions. And then you'll have 16 questions where you're going to have to do change a spelling mistake or capitalization mistake or a comma mistake, apostrophe mistake, quotation marks, all of those little rules that we have talked about over the entire school year. So this is the one where you write the essay and then answer the questions and make the sentences better. Remember, you can use a dictionary for any and all of the tests. So if you get to a question and it's like, do you spell it this way or this way? Go get a dictionary, look it up, and decide which one is spelled correctly. If you get to a question and it's like a homophone question, like, do I use this blue or that blue, this there or this there? Look it up. It's going to use it in a sentence, and you'll know how to use it also. There's no reason for you not to use the dictionary and get those questions right. I think that you're well prepared. I think that we've been practicing this all year long. Some of you have been working on your Education Galaxy, and you're ready. I mean, there's nothing else to it. You are ready to conquer this test, and I feel confident going into this knowing that you are ready. And so remember when you, I'll go over that in the next video too. All right, so this was just a little like reminders video, like use your dictionary. Remember that you're going to have questions to answer. Remember, you have an essay to do. I think that's about it. Don't forget to bring water and a snack and maybe your lunch, because I'm not sure on how long it's going to take everyone once we get started. And I think that's it. You're going to do great, and I will see you in the morning.